Scott. I just want to send this quick video to put a face to the name, also to show you more about this 2017 Ford F-150 Platinum. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. I look forward to meeting you. Thank you so much. So here we have the 2017 Ford F-150 Platinum. It has a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine. It's 4x4. It has under 76,000 miles. It has a 36-gallon fuel tank. You have running boards underneath, so when you open the door, they will come down. Okay. You have blind spot sensors and also LED lights on the side of the mirrors. Here you have your rear backup sensors, your backup camera. It has a trailer tow package. So it's remote tailgate release. So you press this twice. Here you have a nice space. You have a bed liner, a tonneau cover. You have LED lights. Super neat. Let's check the inside now. Super nice, super roomy, super clean. You have a bag window. Right here you have an armrest. You also have cup holders. You have the Platinum logo. Here in the bag you have USB ports, an outlet. You also have heated seats, pockets behind the seat. Super nice room. You also have a handle here to get support to getting inside the truck. Here you have the door code, power seats, you have memory seats, you have power windows, power side mirrors to adjust them, and also you can power fold them. Here you have the control to your headlights, the brightness for your dashboard, your fog lights, and the lights for the back. You also have adjustment pedals, so that's pretty neat. Here you have cruise control on the steering wheel. You can also talk on the phone hands-free, manage your volume, and you can manage the dashboard using these buttons here. Here on the screen you have navigation system, which is awesome. You can manage your climate, heated steering wheel, your audio. Pretty neat. You have a little bit of everything. You have multi-contour seats. And what is that? You can give yourself a massage while driving. It's also driver and passenger, so that's pretty awesome to have. Down here you can control your heater and AC. You have cooled seats, driver and passenger, and also heated seats. Down here you have USB ports. Here you have cup holders. You also have another outlet right there. Here in the center you have a nice big glove box, and you can put your change there. Here you have your big glove box. You can have some support there as well. A bar right there. Up here you have vanity mirrors, driver and passenger. And up here you also have a universal garage door opener. This is for your back window. You can put your sunglasses, and these are for the inside of the vehicle light that you can control and manage there. for your trailer backup. Scott, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you, and talk to you soon.